So, you've got a DUI on your record, and now you're wondering, will this stop you from getting a forklift job? Short answer, not always. But there are a few things you need to know before you start applying. Stick around, because I'm going to explain when a DUI matters, when it doesn't, and how you can still land the job. Hey, welcome back to Forklift Training Guide channel, your go-to for forklift training, certification tips, and career advice. If you want to level up your skills and job chances, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. All right, let's get to the point. A DUI does not automatically mean you can't be a forklift
Yes.
operator. Forklifts are usually driven on private property, not public roads. But there are certain situations where your DUI could make things tricky. When a DUI could be a problem, number one, if your job involves driving company trucks on public roads, that's when your driving record matters. Number two, some companies have insurance rules that won't allow them to hire drivers with a recent DUI. Number three, and if you're applying to a safety-sensitive position in industries like construction or shipping, they might have stricter hiring policies. When DUI usually doesn't matter. Now here's the good news. If the job is 100% forklift work inside a warehouse or yard, your DUI usually won't be an issue. OSHA, which is the agency that sets forklift safety rules, doesn't care about your driving record. They care about whether you're trained and safe to operate. And if your DUI happened years ago, most employers will focus more on your recent work history. How to improve your chances of getting hired. Number one, be honest if they ask about your record. Hiding it can hurt you more than the DUI itself. Number two, get your OSHA-compliant forklift certification before applying. It shows you're serious and ready to work safely. Number three, show your reliability. Bring references, highlight your attendance record, and any awards you've earned. Number four, apply to companies that are more flexible. Smaller warehouses and private businesses may have looser rules. Bottom line, a DUI doesn't have to end your forklift career before it starts. As long as you're upfront, certified, and targeting the right employers, you've still got a real shot at getting hired. To learn more, click the link in the pinned comment. If you want to boost your chances, I've dropped a link below for online forklift certification you can do from home. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've been through this situation.